Discovering the Beauty of Japan, a travel guide for first-timers are you on an unforgettable journey to the enigmatic country of Japan, its breathtaking beauty and rich cultural heritage. From vibrant cities to serene landscapes, Japan offers a tapestry of experiences that are sure to mesmerize all who visit. Start your adventure in Tokyo. The bustling immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of this metropolis, with ancient shrines. Explore the famous neighborhoods of Shibuya and Shinjuku, where you can witness the lively intersection at Shibuya Crossing and marvel at the dazzling neon lights of Kabukicho. After experiencing the vibrant city, venture into the serene countryside. Head to Kyoto and wander through the enchanting bamboo Arashiyama, the Golden Pavilion, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of the peaceful Zen gardens. No trip to Japan is complete without a visit to the breathtaking Mount Fuji, a symbol of Japan's natural beauty. This majestic mountain offers awe-inspiring views and is a must-see for nature enthusiasts. Whether you choose to hike its trails, take a seat, or simply enjoy the picturesque scenery, witnessing Mount Fuji is an experience that will leave you in awe. For a taste of ancient Japan, visit Nara, home to the iconic Todaiji Temple and its giant bronze Buddha statue. Marvel at the friendly deer roaming freely around Nara Park and experience the serenity of Kasuga Taisha Shrine, with its vibrant lanterns echoing the country's rich traditions. To truly appreciate Japan's diverse beauty, head to the charming city of Hiroshima. While it may be known for its tragic past, today it stands as a symbol of hope and peace. Visit the Peace Memorial Park and Museum to pay homage to those affected by the atomic bombing and witness the resilient spirit of the Japanese people. As you explore this remarkable country, don't forget to indulge in its world-renowned cuisine. From sushi and ramen to tempura and sake, Japan's culinary delights are a feast for the senses. Immerse yourself in the local food culture, try your hand at a traditional tea ceremony, and savor the artistry and flavors of Japanese cuisine. With its fusion of ancient traditions and modern marvels, Japan offers a truly unique and captivating travel experience. Whether you are drawn to the vibrant cityscapes or the peaceful countryside, Japan has something to offer every traveler. So pack your bags, embark on this extraordinary journey, and discover the beauty of Japan for yourself, a destination that will leave an indelible mark on your heart and soul.